In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and export documents in Google Drive. Whether you're moving files into Drive for safekeeping or sending a copy out to someone who uses Microsoft Word, the process is quick once you know where to click. We'll start by importing a document, then we'll export a Google Doc as a .docx file. Open Google Drive in your web browser so you're on the Home or My Drive view. In the top left corner, click the New button. From the menu that appears, choose File Upload. Your computer's file picker will open. Browse to the document you want to bring into Drive, select it and confirm. In the bottom right of Drive, you'll see an Upload Status panel. When it says Upload Complete, your file is now saved to My Drive. If you had a folder open before clicking New, that's where the file will land. Otherwise, it goes to the main My Drive area. You can click the file name in the status panel to jump to it. You can organize it later if needed, but for now, the upload is finished. Next, let's export a document from Drive. Back on the main Drive page, locate the document you want to send out. Click it to highlight, then open it in Google Docs. At the top of the document window, click File to open the menu, hover over, or click Download. A list of formats will appear. Choose Microsoft Word, docx. Your browser will start downloading a copy of the document to your computer, usually into the Downloads folder. The original file remains in Google Drive exactly as it was. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. Choosing .docs is best if the recipient edits in Microsoft Word because it keeps most formatting intact. If the other person only needs to read the file, you might consider exporting to PDF instead, but today we're focusing on Word format. After downloading, it's a good idea to open the docs on your computer to confirm headings, images, and spacing look right in Word. If anything looks off, check fonts and margins, then try downloading again, and that's all you need. Import with New, File Upload, then pick your document, export by opening the file in Google Docs, going to File Download, and selecting Microsoft Word docx. With these simple clicks, you can move documents in and out of Google Drive confidently and keep your files compatible with the tools you and your collaborators use every day.